Good day. Welcome to another series of Chemistry Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In this class, we are still going to be solving questions on molar volume of gas and number of atoms. And this is going to be the last question we are going to be solving on this topic because we have taken more examples in our previous classes. So in the next class, we are going to be moving on to a new topic. So make sure you pay attention and make sure if you have not watched the previous videos, you should watch them and follow. So let's move on to the question on the board. A sample of magnesium gas has a volume of 5.6 dm cubed at standard temperature and pressure. Calculate the number of moles present and find the number of atoms in the sample. Avogadro's constant is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 and molar volume at STP is 22.4 dm cubed. So the first thing is calculate the number of moles present. Number of moles is equal to, in the previous class, we have derived a relationship between molar volume and volume. So mole is equal to volume divided by molar volume. So you have volume divided by molar volume. And in the question, we are given the volume of magnesium gas to be 5.6 dm cubed, so which is equal to 5.6. I will have the molar volume at STP to be 22.4 dm cubed divided by 22.4 dm cubed. So you have the mole. When you input 5.6 divided by 22.4 into the calculator, you have 0.25 moles. Now, moving on to the second part of the question, which says find the number of atoms in the sample. The number of atoms. We've also learned in the previous class that the relation between the number of atoms, mole, and Avogadro's constant is number of atoms is equal to mole times Avogadro's constant. So the mole is 0.25 and Avogadro's constant is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. So 6.02 times 10 to the power 23. When you input this value into the calculator, you have the number of atoms to be 1.505 times 10 to the power 23 atoms. Thank you for listening. Book DR Tutors for your personalized online chemistry, mathematics, and biology classes at an affordable price. Follow DR Tutors for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye.